It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys and thank you for watching.
Welcome back everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to be having beans and cornbread, my favorite meal. I'm going to be using 2 cups of beans, pinto beans. You can use FATBACK, bacon grease. I'm going to be using this country ham that we have. FATBACK is really the best. And we're going to need some water. Okay, we've got the 2 cups of beans, and what I'm going to be doing is going through, looking the beans is what we call it. Just looking to make sure there ain't no bad beans or rocks or split beans. If you find any rocks, get them out, because they'll break a tooth. Okay, this is stuff we're looking for. That's a rock. That would really hurt. Now we're going to wash these really good. And as you're washing them, you might find something you missed. Okay, I'm going to put my beans. I'm going to use the Instant Pot. You could use any other pressure cooker, a crock pot. That'll take longer though. It'll take about all day. And then you could just do a pot on the stove. But we're going to do it the fast way. And I haven't soaked the beans. If you're going to do it in a pot, it'd probably be best if you soak the beans overnight. Now I'm going to take my ham. I had cut up just in chunks. Put that in. I'm not going to add salt because the ham is already salty. And then I'm going to put some water over here. That was 4 cups. I'm going to go maybe up halfway over top the beans because it's going to soak up the liquid. Get it about right there. I may add just a little bit more, but I'm going to put the lid on this and put it to sealing, and I'm going to set it for 50 minutes on pressure cook, and then we'll do the cornbread here in just a minute. Okay, for the cornbread, I'm going to need 1 egg, 2 cups of self-rising cornmeal, 1/4 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of any kind of oil you like, and 1.5 to 2 cups of milk. Okay, first I'm going to take my butter and I'm going to put it in my cast iron pan. We're going to put this in a 425-degree oven and let it melt. Okay, for the cornbread, I'm going to mix the cornmeal and about 1.5 cups of milk. And we'll stir that up. I'm going to let this set for just a few minutes while I get the egg and the oil ready. so that the milk can absorb into the cornmeal. I'm going to take my oil and put my egg in. I'll stir that up. You can add sugar to this if you want. We don't like sweet cornbread, but you can add sugar if you like. Now I'm going to add the egg and the oil to the cornmeal mix. And if it's a little bit too thick, I'm going to add some more milk, which mine is. I like it a little bit thinner than that. Okay, now I'm going to let this set until the butter gets melted. Okay, I added just a little bit more cornmeal to this. You want like a pancake batter consistency. It depends on the humidity if you're adding liquid to flour or cornmeal, how much liquid you need to add. So this is like a pancake consistency. Now I got the pan out of the stove with the butter. It's hot, be careful. I'm gonna pour, and that butter's gonna come up over top of the bread or the cornmeal mix. Now I'm gonna put this in a 425-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes, and the beans are cooking. We'll come back whenever they're ready. Here's the cornbread out of the oven. The beans are done, but we're going to let this slow release. When the pressure comes down, we'll show you the beans. Okay, the beans has come down off pressure. I'm going to turn it to there we go. Okay, let's plate it up. Okay, here's how I do my cornbread and beans. I tear up the cornbread. Put me a pat or two of butter. Make sure I get good broth. Add some onion. Okay, Doug, give it a try.
All right, I'm grabbing a spoon. That is really good.
Okay.
It's hot, but it's good.
Okay. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Folks, thank you for watching and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing.